My name is Abram Batts, Savannah Toyota. I've selected the 2010 Toyota Camry LE to do a walk around on it. But before we get started, I want to tell you a little history about Toyota. Toyota Motor Sales was established in the United States in 1957. 1965, the Corona was introduced. 1968, the first Corolla was sold in America. 1972, Toyota had sold over 1 million vehicles in America. By 1981, that figure increased to over 5 million. 1983, Toyota was the first manufacturer to sell over 1 million small trucks and SUV in the United States. 1985, Toyota selected Georgetown, Kentucky for its first automotive manufacturing plant in the United States. By 1996, Toyota had sold over 20 million vehicles in the United States. Just to show you where we are today, Toyota is the world's largest automobile manufacturer in the United States. The Camry is the #1 selling car in America. Now, Leo, we're going to start right here. The Camry has a star safety system that consists of vehicle stability control, traction control, four-wheel ABS brakes, electronic brake force distribution, and brake assist. Now, Leo, if a driver has a tendency to overshoot his direction, vehicle stability, the front end have a tendency to push the vehicle around. The rear wheel then have the best traction. Vehicle stability control will temporarily cut the power to the engine, automatically apply brake pressure to the two individual front wheel and the rear inside wheel to prevent the vehicle from being pushed around. Traction control will automatically activate the ABS to apply brake pressure to the front wheel, preventing wheel slippage. Power will then be directed to the rear wheel to give the vehicle the traction so the driver can continue on. Electronic brake force distribution. If the vehicle is loaded, Leo, the power will be distributed to the front wheel to help the driver stop. If you have a load or cargo in the rear, power will be diverted to the rear wheel for the driver. Say if an animal run out in front of the car, Leo, ABS brakes pulsate the wheels to prevent the wheel from locking up, allowing the driver to maintain steering and avoid. Brake assist in emergency situation. If the driver hit the brake and don't hit it hard enough to stop, long as he have his foot on the brake, Leo, it automatically apply enough pressure and start the vehicle forward. Now, Leo, that's my star safety system. Leo, J.D. Powers and Associates ranks Toyota 6th in dependability, durability, and reliability. Motor Trend magazine states that the Camry LE stops 19 feet shorter than the Accord LX from 0 to 60. Leo, the Camry have hood struts, so you don't have to worry about putting the prop foot there when you open the hood. It also has a 2.5 dual overhead cam VVTi engine. Dual overhead cam coupled with 4-valve persona. You have 2 valves for air intake, 2 for exhaust intake, which allows the vehicle to breathe better, perform better with less wear and tear. Toyota added VVTi, variable valve timing. This helps the engine breathe. The engine breathes through its valve. That feature works so well, Leo, that Toyota added dual VVTi. It allows the driver to maintain a longer range, and it also increases horsepower and reduce fuel emissions. Okay, Leo, we're going to start around here on the side. The Toyota Camry has a 3-year 36 comprehensive warranty, 5-year 60,000 powertrain warranty, 5-year unlimited against rust and corrosion. Leo, we're going to just take a look on the inside for some of the storage space. The Toyota Camry has a large glove box, plenty of space in there for the customer. We have center console storage space. We have overhead space for your glasses as well too. Toyota uses dual door seals here, Leo. This keep dust, inclement weather, and noise out of the cabin compartment, which is convenient for the customer as well too. Now, Leo, Toyota also uses its front and rear stabilizer bar standard. A vehicle that doesn't have the stabilizer bar, when you go into a curve, it has a tendency to roll. The front and rear stabilizer bar will keep the vehicle flat, so a driver can actually accelerate while going into a curve and actually maintain control of the vehicle. And that's a good standard feature for the customer as well too. Now, around the rear, the Camry has a large trunk, low lip area, so when you're loading the vehicle, you don't have to pick it up very high to get it in there. It also has 60/40 split folding seat. If you had something that was too long for the trunk and wouldn't fit in, Leo, you can pull this handle right here. It folds the seat down and allow you to get it in there. Okay. Now, Leo, we're going to go around to the front of the vehicle. Inside. The Toyota Camry have standard knee airbags, driver's front airbags, driver's and passenger side airbag, side curtain airbags, and that's why it's one of the safest vehicles in America. And Leo, that concludes my walk around. This is Abram Batts, Savannah Toyota.